Welcome back to this Guide. In today's video, we are going to show you how to integrate Asana with Microsoft Excel. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Integrating Asana with Microsoft Excel can be incredibly useful for reporting, data analysis, and sharing project updates. Now, you just have to choose the project that you're currently working on here in Asana. In my case, that's going to be how to integrate Asana with Microsoft Excel. Now, you see, we have a separate video on how to connect or integrate Asana with Google Sheets, because here you have the option to do with that. All I'm going to do is go to export and print and connect all of these platforms. In this case, there's no option for you to export or connect Microsoft Excel. Now, in this case, I want you to go to the home page. And then here on this dashboard, you can see there's going to be an option that says Browse Integrations. I want you to click on it, and what will happen is you can connect Slack, Gmail, Outlook, and your other favorite tools. All I'm going to do is click on the Browse Integrations. All right, so I'll just wait for it. Now, you see, Asana doesn't have the Microsoft Excel natively. They don't have that built-in feature. All right. Instead, what we can do is hover down below and look for Zapier. All right. So we have so many Zapier integration tutorials that you might want to check out on our YouTube channel. All right. But if you can't find it, just hover down, Control F to find Zapier. There you go. I want you to click on this one because this is going to be our first option. You see, Zapier helps you automate work without writing any code, which is very handy. You can connect Asana with the software tools you rely on and let Zapier do the manual, repetitive tasks so you don't have to. All we're going to do is click on the Get Zapier. And then, of course, we're going to start with the Google account. You see, I have already my Google account here. What I'm going to do is click on the Connect Asana to 6,000 plus apps. Now, you see, you might want to search for pairing apps, and that's going to be Microsoft Excel. There you go. Click on that, and you can have all these endless possibilities. By clicking this orange button, we can connect these apps. Now, we're going to rename this app to make it visually easier to look. Go to the Asana first and select the event. For example, it triggers when an attachment is added to task, or maybe when a task within a project or any project within a workspace is marked as completed. Right? Click on that. Now, I want you to click on the Microsoft Excel because here we need to choose an event for the Microsoft Excel. Maybe it creates a new spreadsheet whenever there's a completed task on Asana. All right? Click on it. And then the next thing that we're going to do is click on the continue. And of course, you just have to sign in using a Microsoft Excel. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You can sit back and relax because Zapier will do all the work for you. All right. Now, another option that you could explore is using Asana's integration with Microsoft Power Automate. All right. If you haven't already, you might want to log into your Microsoft Power Automate account, which is formerly known as Microsoft Flow. If you don't have one, please, you can create one using the Microsoft credentials. It's free and easy to create, all right? Now, once you have successfully created your account, I want you to go to the Create a Flow to automate a repetitive business task end to end, all right? There's going to be a plus button. You can start from blank. You can create an automated cloud flow, instant cloud flow, just a flow process mining. But in my case, or in your case, just choose the automated cloud flow because it triggers when there's an event happen. Right? Click on it. You can, of course, create a flow name if you want it. But in I'm gonna skip all of that. All right, I'm gonna create something from scratch. Right, I'm going to rename this as this one. All right. After that, you just have to select from the list of Asana apps, or I mean apps here for the connectors and triggers. All right. In this case, we're searching for Asana. There you go. Click on Asana. All right. So the trigger is when a project is created, when a task is completed, or when a task is created. I'm going to choose the second one, whenever a task is created. All right. And all I'm going to do is sign into your Asana. Let me do that right now. Now, after connecting the Asana here, you might want to choose the workspace ID, right? My company and the project. All right. Just anything, enter a custom value. All right. So maybe and the guide for now. All right. After that, add your next step. Now, we're going to choose an operation. Maybe when a task is completed, we can maybe update a row or get a row, or yeah, this one. Let's just get a row. All right. Let's not make our lives complicated. Of course, you need to sign in to create a connection to Excel Online. I'm going to sign in. Let me do that. Now I'm getting error right now. I'm not sure why, but one of the reasons maybe is that I'm not using an active and stable internet connection. So I tried to log in using my account, but it's not making forward progress, right? In this case, it's really easy because all I'm gonna do once you have connected the Excel Online, all I'm gonna do is click on save. That's that, all right? So you see there's gonna be this. It's like the same thing with a Zapier, all right? So you can just move along. Now the last option that we're going to show you is from make.com, right? This is going to be the make.com. We're going to create a new scenario. All I'm going to do is click on the plus button here, search for the apps, and that's going to be Asana. All right. So you can get a tag or get a task, retrieves a task, click on it. And then you need to create a connection. All right. Obviously, grant permission, allow, check it, allow, and then just wait for it to load. Now here, enter a task manually or select from the list, all right? And find a major project, all right? It's all up to you. Workspace is gonna be and these guides. I'm gonna click on OK. Now we're going to another module, and that's going to be Microsoft Excel, right? So maybe it adds a new table, all right? All I'm going to do is simple. Click on the create connection, click on OK, run it once, and you would be able to integrate Asana with Microsoft Excel without any problem, because right now I'm having problems with my connection. For both accounts. Remember earlier, I'm having a error connections. I'm not sure, but in that case, I'm gonna check the internet connection later. Integrating Asana with Microsoft Excel combines the project management capabilities of Asana with the data analysis and reporting power of Excel, providing teams with a more robust and flexible toolset for managing projects and driving success. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.